Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, we will be doing a DIY box braid situation. So yeah, let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into this video.
Oh, me, I do normal, normal. Oh, yeah, do proper, proper. Oh, yeah, stop proper, proper. Number one lover, lover. Nobody better, better. Nobody cleaner, cleaner. Nobody other, other. It's for you, yeah. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do normal. Make I spend all that. It's for you, yeah. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do normal. Make us spend dollar. Baby, so you, yeah. When I got my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do normal. Make us spend dollar. Baby, so you, yeah. When I got my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do normal. Make us spend dollar. Baby, so you, yeah. We love. I think I feel like I say me, I'm gonna hurt you, girl. They say me I be play, but they say me I'm gonna play you, babe. Every as well, me I know be that kind guy, yeah. Give me your heart, make I give you mine too. Make it shake it with me and me, I guess for you, baby, I love everything I guess for you, baby, I love, baby, everything I got for you, girl. Everything in life is low, oh baby, let me love you, let me hold you, baby, girl, to the end, that's right, yeah. Let me touch you. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do know, man. Make us spend all that. Baby, so you, eh. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do know, man. Make us spend all that. Baby, so you, eh. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do know, man. Make us spend all that. Baby, so you, but I got my own show, man. Oh, yeah, I don't know, man. Make I spend all out. Baby, so you love.
Pristine sound.
You say you want me, you better want me. Now you got me all up in my head. You wanna love me, but you should love me now, 'cause I'll be running out of
So spiral before putting in the spiral rod, I first wet the hair, and then I take the rod as well as the little clip that's with the rod to secure the braid at the end, and then I just basically wrap it around the rod. And the reason I wet the hair before wrapping it is because it's just a little bit easier to wrap around as opposed to like when it's not wet. Like if you guys try it, you will see what I mean.
I can't give you anything, okay. Then I let my guard down. So many emotions, I feel like I'm drowning in my mistakes. So I put my walls up. Even if you beg me, I would never be the one to say.
So with this part, after all the rods are in, I just put them into hot water so that the curls can set. I did not show you guys this part, I'm so sorry. But yeah, after I put all the rods in, I then put it into hot water. Don't forget that part, very important.
Original, 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 original Batman.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. Aye. On a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling.